Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME GT3 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the option Wallpapers and Style. Then let's scroll and find this Wallpapers section, let's tap on it, and as you can see here we've got some albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from. At the top we've got Recents and the album, which means that you can enter your own gallery and set your own photo as a wallpaper. Moreover, at the very bottom you've got this option More Wallpapers, so if you've got the internet connection you will be able to enter the themes and download the wallpapers, which are free of charge and they are available online. I'm not sure, probably you will need the REALME account, so you will have to be logged in. So let me quickly check it, and if not we will find something in the pre-installed options. So let me tap maybe on this one, and as you can see we've got this option Apply here. So let's tap on Apply. And as you can see, fortunately we do not need the account, I believe. We can just tap on Apply. No, we have to have the account. I don't want to waste the time on it, so let me just quickly choose something from those options. But I still have shown you the process of how to get the online wallpaper. Alright, so let me choose maybe this one. Just tap on the specific wallpaper, it will appear on the full screen, and then tap on Apply to. Now you can decide where you want to set it, so as a lock screen, home screen, or both. And I will choose both options, so let me tap on it. And now we can check the preview, how it will look like on the lock screen and on our home screen. We've got our icons here, so we can check whether we like it. Moreover, if we will swipe to this home screen section, we can change the wallpaper to the solid color. So let's tap on this color option, and as you can see right now we've got the gradient, and after tapping on it again we can choose either the gradient option or the solid one. We can also basically we can choose from those options. Here we can customize it, so customize the intensity of the color, so it's totally up to you. However, if you will decide that you want to stick to the previous option, simply tap on Match Lock Screen and it will immediately appear here. So now let's tap on Apply in the right upper corner and wait. Alright, we can also a lot of things. Okay, not now. We can also apply the wallpaper colors to the system. So the system and the wallpaper will create a composition together. So let me quickly show you how to do it. Just tap on OK. And here we've got the featured colors, so those which are, let's say, pre-installed. And now we can tap on wallpaper colors, and those which are here are, let's say, taken from the wallpaper. So because we've got a pink flower on it, we've got here the pink color, the purplish color, let's say. Here we've got more vibrant colors, so it's up to you. Or, which is even more interesting, we can choose the custom option. So let's tap on Custom, tap on Got It, and tap on Custom again. And now we can simply drag those dots, thanks to which we can choose the specific color. So let me choose maybe something like that. It's quite nice. Maybe a little bit brighter pink. Maybe something like that, and that's okay, and confirm it with OK. And as you can see, they will immediately appear on this preview, and if you like it you can just leave it like that. And after getting back, of course, you can see that the wallpaper has been played successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.